Hello fam, as I've promised, I'll be taking you guys through my YouTube analytics for the channel Chronicles of HP. So before the end of this month, January. So I am here today to take you through the YouTube studio of Chronicles of HP YouTube analytics. So yeah, here we are currently. I usually don't do vertical videos like this. I used to do horizontal videos, especially for YouTube, but this one, I really want you guys to, have a full view of the Chronicles of HP YouTube channel's YouTube analytics. So yeah, here we are today. We are going in. So this is the analytics for Chronicles of HP YouTube channel. Sorry for the, yes, here it is. I want you guys to see, currently I am with 14,540 subscribers, heading towards 14,600 subscribers. I think next week maybe I should be able to reach, maybe if I'm lucky, I'll reach 15,000. Otherwise, I'll be somewhere around 14,900 or so. But here we are today. Here, this is Chronicles of HP. I've built this channel right here in Papua New Guinea while I was still a student attending Daytech learning centers. So this is the channel here. Many people, they really want to know and have a look at what a monetized channel is really like. But many monetized channel owners, they really don't want to get people into the back end of their channel. So but with Chronicles of HP, I'm always here for everyone, taking you through all the dark sides of Chronicles of HP YouTube channels, as we've started together long ago till today. By me go yet and will flow yet. And here it is. Like, this is my channel. The recent videos I posted are here. So these results up here, the 43.3k views and 2k watts hours, 2.0k watts hours, and 289 subscribers, and estimated revenue is $35.78. That's for the last 28 days. That's for the last 28 days since January 1st till January 22nd. I haven't posted and I stayed because due to some reasons, but forget about that. Let's take a deep dive into the analytics section. So this is it. Okay, we are going through later. This is the overview of the analytics. Yeah, that's the overview part. Okay, we have the content, audience, and the revenue is here. That's the revenue side of it. We'll go through that everything together. But currently I started posting, and the tendency for the channel has started to rise up again after it has declined a lot since I haven't posted for almost a month. Here it is. So it's like, yeah, this is the Chronicles of HP YouTube channel. So the analytics for the last 48 hours, I've got 8,589 views, and yeah, that's it. It's starting to climb up. It's not like this, it has gone down a lot, so I'm trying to raise it up again. I usually, for the last 48 hours, I usually used to stay around somewhere around 20,000 to 25,000 views. But since I haven't posted for the last 22 days, that has really affected the channel, and it has declined a lot. But I know how to do that, and I've already mastered the art of YouTube. I've been running several multiple YouTube channels, and it has helped me, and I've gained a lot of experience on YouTube. Yeah, so what I really want to say is, I will take you guys to the revenue side of the channel. Okay, you see here we have now we are on the overview side of the channel. That's the overview, the views and view count and all that stuff. And we go over to the content. We have a lot the analytics for the contents here. we have the new viewers and on the shorts and videos and live streams for the last 28 days here. You see, you know, just taking you through to have a view of what the life of a YouTuber in Papua New Guinea is like, to inspire others, as well as for educational purposes. And if you really want to mean business and dive into YouTube, better quit TikTok and Facebook, because in Papua New Guinea we are not monetized for the videos and the efforts that we put into those two platforms. So I am calling out to every creators, especially on TikTok and Facebook. Forget about your fixed Facebook and TikTok account. Not really forgetting them, but better start a YouTube channel, because later you will still refer back to your TikTok and Facebook account to drive viewers and subscribers to your YouTube channel. So this is here we have this is the audience tab. I have viewers watching my content from device type. We have mobile, computer, tablet, and TV. Especially 93% of my 93.5% of my viewers are mobile users, especially watching Chronicles of HP YouTube channel on mobile phones. We have 3.6% on computer and 2.2% on tablet and 0.7% on TV watching Chronicles of HP. And the age of the viewers are also mentioned on the audience tab, and the gender, geography, where the viewers are coming from, especially for Chronicles of HP. 79% of my viewers are coming in from Papua New Guinea as place country yet, and we have a 2.8% from Australia, 1.0% from United States. We have 0.4% on Indonesia and 0.4% on United Kingdom, and it keeps going down there. You can see it for yourself here, your voice, and you can read too. Okay, thank you for that. I will go back and we go to, that's the audience tab, and I'm taking you through the geography that the viewers are coming from and watch time and other things are here. And these are the channels that my audience also watches. We have Kaku Dave here, PNG Happenings there, MTV Online, M Studio, One Talk Media. These are all other channels that the audience who watches Chronicles of HP also watches these other channels too here. And these are the formats the viewers are watching on YouTube's either shorts or videos or lives. Yeah, okay. And for now, I'm gonna take you to the most interesting part that everybody really want to see, the revenue side of YouTube. Yeah, I'm taking you to the revenue tab. Okay, here we have it here. Since the channel has declined a lot for the last 28 days, I've made $35.78. This is very low, honestly speaking, for myself. For the last 28 days, I used to be around somewhere around $150 or $200 like that, but since I haven't posted for a long time, the channel has declined a lot, and it has really affected the revenue for me. But don't worry, I will also still bring that up again. And here it is, how much the channel is earning. So yes, bear with me as we go through the revenue tab. This is in US dollars, and I will change the settings, the currency to PNG Kina, but I really want it to be in US dollars. When the payout happens at the end of every month from the 21st to the 26th, I really, from the 21st to the 26th of every month, it's our payout time for YouTubers. And I've been receiving payouts for a long time now, and this is how much I've been earning. Yeah, this is the, for every month YouTube pays me from this tab, from the revenue tab. YouTube pays to the Google AdSense account, and from the Google AdSense account, it is paid straight to your bank account in whatever countries you are in. whatever currencies your country is in. So yeah, this is the revenue tab for the Chronicles of HB YouTube channel, and nobody will take you through their channel like this. So please show some appreciation and give some likes to this video and let it reach out to a good number of people to see. The more Papua New Guineans get onto YouTube, the more we build our internet space up, and the more we have revenue streams coming into the country that will really help our economy too in some way. Not in some way, it's a direct benefit for the country. Yeah. So, apart from our exports and such that. So this is okay. Let's dive into that. Yeah, this is for the last 6 months. YouTube usually shows the revenue tab for the last 6 months. This is Papua New Guinea, and we know that American dollars is 4 times. Currently, it's 4 times compared to the PNG Kina. So here we are for those $100. It's like $100 plus. I used to get somewhere around 700 Kina to 900 Kina, and for those $200 plus, I used to get somewhere around 1,000 to 1,500 Kina paid to me monthly in Papua New Guinea. And you know me, Chronicles of HB, Nipla Phase 1, day one we played, yeah, started the Miwoko Trimlo. I've been trying to, make tutorials about how to make money online and posting it on my channel and all that up till and today we are here. And I am very happy to show you guys the revenue tab of the channel Chronicles of HB, and I really do tell you that please, no one will show you such things like that, taking you into their, no one will show you their payslip to and yeah, they only show you to their spouses and partners and like that, but I'm showing this to the country and the world to see that in Papua New Guinea, this is what the Chronicles of HB YouTube channel has been earning revenue monthly, and I'm showing this and inspiring others to please create a YouTube channel, and don't think that you are a celebrity and whatever, and you just stay silent without reacting and subscribing and commenting to other people's channel and content. You must also show some support. At least give a like, show some love on their content, and comment and subscribe to their channel so that you connect your channel with theirs. Yes, that's it. That's how you connect it. Without doing so, don't expect for miracles to happen. Yeah, so this is in US dollars, you see. They paid it to me here in Papua New Guinea, and I've been receiving these funds for a long time now, almost some couple of years now. So this is how YouTube is. So I will convert this revenue tab, put the conversion currency to set it to PNGK, and we'll take a look at it. Go to settings, and then the currency is here. I'm changing the currency to a PGK, and see for every month I've been earning, how much I've been earning. I will also do another video that I will be taking you guys to my this is the YouTube dashboard and YouTube studio and the dashboard of my YouTube channel Chronicles of HB. I will be also taking you guys for another video, so stay tuned. That video I will be taking you into my Google AdSense account. Google AdSense account is like the finance department of Google. So that's where every little payments from Google, from website owners and channel owners and application owners, Google AdSense is for them, where they manage payout there. Yeah, so payout for creators and publishers. So after changing the currency to PGK. Let's go back to our revenue tab. Okay, let me refresh and it will spin back to PNG currency, PGK, Kina, and Toya, and we'll see how much I've been earning in PNG. So here it is. Okay, have a look at this one. This is for the last 6 months. So for the last 6 months, it's like you see here. At August, I got paid about 340 kina, and that I didn't receive that. It stayed until I received that on September, and September I made 957 kina 35 toya, and on October I made 535 kina 60 toya, and in November I made 736 kina 29 toya, and in December I made 1099 kina 29 toya. So for January it's still running. I have only 2 days before the month of January falls away and we have February rolling in, but this is what I really want to show the people of Papua New Guinea and content creators to really please forget about other things and focus on YouTube. For myself, honestly, I'm a YouTube obsessed person, and people, my friends and colleagues, they call me YouTube or whatever. I don't care about what they say because I'm a YouTube obsessed people. I'm a YouTube obsessed person, and honestly, people, if you hang around with me, all my stories is always on YouTube, and you will get tired. So, so thank you very much for watching and staying around this far. Please show some love, give a like to this video, and let it reach out to a wider audience. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I'll always still be doing a lot of inspiring contents about how to make money online in PNG. So please stay with me, bear with me. Many big things, good things are coming on its way. So thank you very much for watching, and this is the Chronicles of HP YouTube channel's revenue tab, and no one will show you theirs like this. So please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like, and please, if you have time, drop a comment to show your appreciation. Thank you very much love, and stay blessed, kids.